Wagwan guys, blessed Sunday morning. Welcome back to another video. So today we have some pork here that was seasoned and marinated for a couple of days. It's nice to do that when you're gonna be oven jerking your pork. So we have some chili pepper. I also add some all-purpose season, pork season, and I also add my marinated jerk sauce on it. So there you have this nice amazing pork, well seasoned to the bone. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be adding this to our baking can. So guys, this is so juicy, so nice, well seasoned, well marinated, and everything. From looking at it, you know. So you know I have to add some chili pepper to it too. Yes, well nice and juicy. Yes guys, so now we add it to our container right here, and we are going to be doing it for 2 hours on 375 degrees. Yes guys, so my oven is already preheated and everything. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some thyme. Yes, you can add whatever you want to add to it, but I just put my thyme there to give it that flavor. Yes, and now I have my red stripe bear. Yes guys, the trick to it, so you're gonna put in like about a half of this red stripe beer. Yes, so if you don't want to use the red stripe beer, you can use any beer you want to, and you can, to give it a little kick, you can use wine, whatever wine of your preference. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna be placing my file paper over it for the steam and everything. Yes, the locking, all those niceness, all those spices, everything to combine together to get this great tender and juicy pork. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the pork in the oven at 375. So yes guys, we are back. Yes, it's ready. Oh, so 2 hours we got this nice tenderized juicy pork. So it's oven jerk pork, as you can see. Yes, so I'm going in. Yeah, see, it's actually, yes, it's breaking off, so that means it's ready. Not quite. We're gonna go ahead and place it back into the oven, but before I do that, I am going to be, yes, glazing it with the juice from the beer and everything. You can add some more beer to it if yours dried out a little. Yes, to put it back in there to get the finishing touch, you can add some more beer to it, but I am just coating it with what the spices and everything that was left from it, from the 2 hour oven prep. Guys, tell you the truth, I love jerk pork. I love jerk pork. So now that I'm finished, I'm gonna be placing it back in the oven, but I'm not putting the lid on. So here we go now. It's finished. Yes, juicy and nice. Yes guys, it feels like a party up in here. Jerk pork, oven jerk pork. But guys, remember, I'm gonna be doing the one on the grill next time for you, but I'm just showing you how you can prepare your jerk pork in the oven. If it's winter time and you don't feel like going outside to fire up the grill, you can go ahead and do that. So you see my knife is going through it. It's very tender and juicy. Oh guys, if you could just taste a piece of this pork, oh, amazing. So you can have this with some festival, you can have it with bread, you can have it with anything you prefer to have it with. But guys, I'm telling you, let me show you a piece. See all that steam, all that juiciness. Yes guys, so this is the finishing touch, garnished with some green onion and pepper. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to Pal's Island Kitchen. Live good, love God, and walk good. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye. And guys, please remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. Thank you.